To make payroll in QuickBooks, start by setting up your payroll preferences, including the pay schedule, pay periods, and employee information. Go to the Employees menu and select Payroll Setup to configure these settings. Next, set up your employees by going to the Employees menu and selecting Employee Center. Here, you can add new employees, edit existing employee information, and assign payroll items such as salary, wages, and benefits. Now, create a payroll schedule by going to the Employees menu and selecting Payroll Schedules. This will allow you to define the frequency of paychecks, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. To run payroll, go to the Employees menu and select Process Payroll. Select the pay schedule and pay period. Then choose the employees to include in the payroll run. Review the payroll summary to ensure accuracy. Then confirm the payroll. After confirming the payroll, QuickBooks will create the necessary payroll checks and update the employee records. You can then print or direct deposit the paychecks, depending on your company's payroll preferences. It is essential to regularly review and update your payroll settings to ensure compliance with tax laws and regulations. Additionally, consider setting up payroll reminders and notifications to stay on track with pay periods and deadlines. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently manage your payroll in QuickBooks and ensure accurate and timely payments to your employees. Regularly review the QuickBooks Payroll Guide and updates to stay informed about the latest payroll features and compliance requirements.